imagine that this trip would be the trip of a lifetime. Lots of hikes, endless light, wildlife, lots of new foods. Dirk ate a puffin yesterday.
I don't know if that's bad. You didn't have to say that.
And lots of new, exciting experiences. But before I go any further, I think it's important you meet my traveling companions. Meet Dad, travel agent, designated driver, and the wallet of our trip. Arliss, the lovable 15-year-old. He was the calorie tracker.
I need to research the calorie intake on a large cheese pizza.
The comic relief, and provided good content with his many near-death experiences. Now, of course, there's me. I'm Lucy, college student, B-roll extraordinaire, optimist and free spirit since birth, and, of course, professional napper. Now, let the adventure commence.
Welcome to Iceland!
Actually, I probably should show you how we got here. Let's rewind a bit. So, can you give us the rundown of what we're doing today?
Yes. Today right now we are getting food. We just arrived in Reykjavik. We are waiting for our camper van to be ready. And we're not supposed to really have picked it up until noon because we're here kind of early. So as soon as we get that picked up, we're gonna go to Costco and then we're gonna hit the road. And we've got a lot of, from waterfalls to continental divides to everything. That's what we're gonna go see. So now it's sit back and wait.
Whoa, that's really close to this. So Dad left to go get the van, but there wasn't room for us. So now some guy is coming to pick us up, and so we're just going to have to blindly go with him, I guess. Dad said they're looking for 2 kids. There's 2 kids right here. Arlie, turn around. Arliss refuses to be on camera. We found Dirk.
Cheers.
Cheers.
A lot of coffee.
We kind of thought we would never see you again.
I have my doubts.
Home for the next week.
Oh my god, we're sharing one bed?
No. We're not all in one bed.
Oh, I really thought we were about to. Look, get up here. This is the perspective I thought we were all sharing that.
Here, look.
Thank you.
Can you imagine all us like cuddling up in there?
We got a little tour here. Here's the front.
I have to walk.
I took a nap in the car and now I'm just like barely functioning, but going to Costco. Why is the color
Here is
like
the-
I don't know. It tastes funny. Pizza should not taste like this.
It does not look like normal. Oh yeah,
That's her little drink.
yeah, the mango smoothies.
It tastes like a a grilled cheese sandwich.
Interesting.
Oh, that's actually really good. I like that. That's good.
And we're at the next location. Actually, it's the third location. Arliss and I slept through the second. We are so tired. Arliss is struggling to come along with us because
It's a rough one.
It's rough. The sleep, not sleeping last night is really kicking in. We're gonna go to the waterfall. What did you call it? The Niagara Falls of Iceland?
It is. It's called Gullfoss.
Gullfoss.
Yeah, there's a set lookout point where you can go. You don't get very close to it, but it is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful.
Let's go see it. Waterfall number 2. I'm filming on my phone because I'm leaving my camera in the van because you get to walk underneath it. And Dirk has the proper equipment to get it wet. I got the little GoPro in my
Yeah, the
pocket.
reason that we are filming from all the way out here is because we're going to be walking up there, and I'm going to take the GoPro. So this is about as close as you are going to get to that. So let's take the GoPro up, let's get a little wet, and hopefully not too wet so we can get back in the car and finish all the way down to Vic. Because we're tired. We just took about almost a 1 hour nap.
Less than
and we got kicked out of this space down here. So yeah, we're person keep honking. Oh, okay. Let's go in the waterfall.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We were also tired and we were so excited to take a little nap. And someone came and like beat on the door and was like, "You can't sleep here." And we're like, "Okay," so we pulled it to the side of the road. Oh my gosh, look at there's like sheep on the side of the mountain. Arliss went in search of the restroom. He actually is getting out this time, which is nice. Capturing the sheep on the side of the mountain. And there's a film crew here today. There was a sign when we pulled in that says filming in process or something. And so Arliss was like, there's a whole team filming something. What do you think they're filming? Like a nature documentary? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is kind of a slick little hike here. They're filming an Icelandic TV show, so the path is closed. This is what we're looking like right now. The hood is up. We're soaking. Arliss is soaking. His pants, my shirt. We're all soaking wet. Dark's soaking wet.
At least I got a shower.
At least we're fresh and clean, everybody.
Why does this have like a little sprinkler thing here?
We're just now realizing this place has one pillow. You see that one pillow on the bed?
thought we were about to look. Get up here. This is the perspective I thought. I thought we were all sharing that.
Here, Lou.
Thank you.
Can you imagine?
That's the only pillow we got here. And now, guess who is smart for bringing a sleeping bag?
Yeah, that's
One pillow and one blanket.
Everyone was, Dad, I was getting borderline shamed. Dad was shaming me. Wow, why do I look so rough? Oh my gosh. I was getting borderline shamed because I was bringing a sleeping bag, and there's no sense bringing that when they provide all of the pillows and blankets and the RV. I was thinking ahead. I was thinking, if there's one thing that I don't want to be, it's cold at nighttime. And guess who's not going to be cold or have to worry about having a pillow? I'm sorry, you don't think ahead enough to pack a sleeping bag. You don't get use of it. You can have the blanket and the pillow that's already here. Arliss is gonna have to take one for the team.
I'm hungry.
I'm pressing charges.
Waterfall number 3 for today. And you see that little spot we're hiking to? All the way up there? Arliss decided to wait in the van. But Dad and I were ambitious enough to decide, hey, we can hike all of those steps all the way up to this waterfall. So let's go hike. I've also had a completely new outfit change because we got soaking wet last time. I still have the same coat, it dried a little bit, but new shirt. New pants. It is unbelievable. Black Sanders, I just like, yeah, it is. Let's go hike up the stairs.
Alright, Lucy's already taken the first step. There it goes. Alright, head on up. Alright, let's go.
Day 40. Climbing the stairs. We're running out of oxygen from the elevation and my legs can't go any longer. We're thirsty. We're hungry. We've been hiking for days. Just kidding. We're only halfway through. We've done all that. I was right. The quads are burning. The lungs are burning.
We'll rest right here on this one.
Okay, I need a break. I need to stop. Send help. Or someone to carry me up the stairs. Either one's fine. That was absolutely beautiful.
It was fun.
And exhausting, but
Yeah,
now
but well worth it.
we have to hike all the way back down the stairs. Where we started. All the way down there. Let's go. Ready, Dirk?
It's much better going down than it was coming up.
Well, we don't know that yet.
Oh, it will be.
I just don't see the huge boat out there, do you? Oh my gosh. We're alive!
We made it.
We made it down the stairs. Oh, a hike like this makes the dinner well worth it or something.
If I didn't, then it's true. Either way, it's true.
But then I said, well, all I'm getting is another version of a pita bread, so.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't found a lot of really great options for Lucy yet. And
as far as gluten-free goes.
yeah. As long as we're happy, I think that's the most important part.
I'll just, my hunger will feed off of your joy.
Yeah. I'm sure there'll be plenty of calories for you in that.
Thanks. We made it back to the camper, and now we're headed to the campsite for tonight. Let's go. Oh, we're upside down. Okay. Whew. Okay. So, I was thinking about filming. I'm out of breath. Running up another hill. So, first off, this is our campsite for tonight. That view is literally out our campsite window, if you can believe it. So let's do a little bit of a recap. We packed up at our campsite, and we took off from Vic. We went to the grocery store, picked up all of the things that we needed, and we got on the road and got on our way. How would everyone say the first night was? Arliss, how did you sleep? Scale of 1 to 10, let's do a sleep review. Arliss. Oh my gosh.
I can't read any of this.
Well, I'll go first. I actually slept surprisingly well. I had my little sleeping bag back there, and I just stayed cozy up and warm all night, despite only having one pillow, in which we only had one pillow. Dad slept on a packing cube of his clothes. I slept on my orange coat, and Arliss took the one pillow for tonight.
I feel like I had the worst deal because I had literally the tiniest blanket. Like, there's sheets of paper that would have been more warm than that. And I feel like I had the worst end of the deal because I was freezing and I have the less meat on me. I know.
How did you sleep on your packing cube?
Let's go.
No, that was all we got.
The packing cube is not good.
Not good?
No, but it is. It's one of the most beautiful places to sleep on a packing cube.
Yes. So now
Over the camera.
Yep.
we're headed to the grocery store because we realized we don't have garbage bags, paper towels, or dish soap, and regular water. We bought a ton of sparkling water, thinking it was regular water, but it's not. And then we're going to go, to the black sand beaches, right, Dirk?
That's right.
Okay, let's go. Goodbye, campground. What's the name of the campground that we're at?
I don't know what the name of anything is that we're at.
We can't really pronounce anything.
It is Chjodstidid Vik I Miradol.
Goodbye, campground.
Yes. We're just gonna leave it at that.
From there, we went to the black sand beaches. Now these beaches were full of black sand, lots of rocks. Lots of rocks and stones. We saw then we went to the other side, and it looked like a cave. It was absolutely incredible. It was so beautiful.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far. I guess
I feel like I just want to run through the mountains singing Sound of Music songs.
it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like each night will keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. And come the storms, whether short or long, well, I'll still be right where you
After Vic,
are.
we hiked to see a glacier. It was a long hike, but it was so fun. Arliss touched the water with his hands, tried to climb a mountain, and we got a little lost off the path, but it was absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite things that we have done so far. We went to Glacier Lagoon, which is right by Diamond Beach. It was about an hour drive from where we had hiked to see our first glacier, and it felt like heaven. The glacier, the icebergs, it was absolutely incredible. Words can't describe how incredible it felt just to be there. We saw a little seal in the water. What are you uh-ohing? Dirk, this is why you need to put the eggs on the side.
Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, there. Got that there.
Things like to fall around in the fridge.
There. Success.
That's our garbage pile. We need to throw it away now that we have garbage bags.
We have a garbage pile.
That's so ugly.
It's awful.
That's so ugly. No judgment, Mom, if you're seeing this. We bought garbage bags, I promise. So,
We are so dirty.
we're not dirty. I need to like hold this way out so my face isn't so close. So, we made it to another national park that I saw the sign coming in, but again, don't know how to pronounce. That was my pronunciation. The boys are gonna have lunch, and then we're going on a short hike. Hopefully it's short. Dirk said he doesn't really know how long it is. He said maybe a mile. So we're gonna go on a hike, but look. This is our view. We literally have a glacier right in front of us for our view. And what's for lunch, Dirk?
Ramen!
Do you have pants on? Oh, your shirt didn't look like you didn't have pants on.
You just never know.
You never know. Because as we walk down here, it's gotten a lot colder. He's touching the water. He was fist deep in the water. We're off-roading now, everybody. There's no trail.
Walk on glacier.
On taking off my hiking boots outside this time because I got black sand all inside last time because I didn't feel it in my boots. That was incredible. What did you think, Dirk?
I thought it was good. I mean, I would like to have seen the waterfall.
Yeah, we decided not to do the waterfall.
I would have liked to have gotten on the actual iceberg.
It would have been an interesting thing if it was on an iceberg.
Like, can I climb the mountain? Can I climb the glacier? And we were like, no. My favorite was when we accidentally lost the trail. What about you?
We went on the trail that we weren't supposed to be on.
We went on the trail that we weren't supposed to be on. Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah, there he is.
Oh.
Hey, buddy.
From there, we hopped in the RV and decided to drive to our campsite for tonight, which puts us exactly right where we are right now. We pulled into our site, we're gonna eat dinner, and we're gonna rest up for a full day tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to the eastern coast of Iceland. Right now we are in the south. We are working our way around Ring Road, and tomorrow we head to the east. Now the east is really interesting. There's a legend that says there is a monster that's like the Loch Ness monster. It's like a sea worm that lives there, and people have claimed to have gotten on footage, so maybe we'll see that. Regardless, there's a lot of exciting things going on whether we see the sea worm or not, but stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching today. Join us tomorrow. Bye guys. I'll let you finish with the beautiful view of the mountains. Okay. Dad, I was filming and I opened my mouth right when you burped, and it's gonna make it look like I was one of them and not you. I just started the camera, ran all the way up there to get the shot, ran all the way back down to get the camera. That's what it takes. Run, Durkee, go get the camera. Oh, purple mountain majesty. Oh.
Catching hold.
What's the best word? Oh.
Above the fruited plain.
Above the fruited plain. America.
Transitions very well to video.
Okay. It's not America.
Yeah, exactly.
Same.
Um,
Oh, what did I always do that? Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Join us next time.